If you want to remove an account from Facebook Messenger, you can follow these steps on your mobile device. So let's get started. Firstly, launch the Messenger app on your device and log into your account. Now tap on the three dashboard option available in the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Unlike Facebook, Messenger does not have a direct logout option, so scroll down, tap on switch account. Now all you have to do is tap on the account you want to remove and slide it to the right side. Then you will get to see remove option available there. So now simply tap on the or simply long press on the account you want to remove. So here you can see I have extra account available. Now all you have to do is slide it to the left side and you can see remove option available there. Tap on the remove and it will be removed from your Messenger. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.